Okay, so right now Hope is in Walmart getting some supplies for us. And tonight we are staying at the Coffee Grounds in Eau Claire, Wisconsin. Yes. So, I'll tell you how that is in the morning. Looks like a brilliant place. After that, we're heading to my buddy's place, spending a couple days with them. So we won't be on filming duty for a couple days because we'll be partaking in the amber liquid, shall we say. So there's a little bit. She's like, "What the heck's going on, Dad?" It's 84 degrees outside. Nice and cool in the van, so she's okay. We're okay. Tommy, baby. Yeah. I got a wild rice bowl. Brilliant. That is the pretzels and beer.
Cheese and cheddar cheese.
Yep. Hope got falafel.
Yeah.
And this place, yes, tzatziki sauce. And this place is amazing. Where we stayed. There's the van. And the Coffee Grounds. Brilliant place. Really nice. A little strip of grass for the dog to run on at nighttime. Very little traffic. Very, very little traffic. And the beer was brilliant.
Lots of business along that river. St. Paul, Minnesota. Yep. Going down a dirt road now.
Got her? Right? Here. Yeah, that's Minnesota. Yeah, right? I pulled in, I was like, motherfucker. The puppy right there. Our puppy's inside.
Dici. Peterson.
Your Peterson will die bravely.
Me. Opie. Look at that. Look at that puppy. Look at the puppy. So we're spending the night right there. Look at the barn swallows. Holy shit. Peterson has a beautiful place. Where are we going?
To the Targets and then down by the river.
Okay.
Look at the camera.
Yep, that steel target is for the Barrett 50 cal, and boy, do those boys have fun.
Yep.
That might work. Perfect. Look at the size of this thing. That's a little bit to compare. Crazy amount of stuff they got to farm. And it's all expensive. Amazing. There's a nice old tractor. Look at that thing. That's cool as hell. Thank you, farmer. This is a weed zapper. And it's got
all the weeds on organic fields.
And it's got tracks.
Explain everything to you.
Yeah. zaps the fuck out of shit.
Oh yeah, it's like lightning bolts.
I may have to bleep that part.
You can watch the lightning bolt go from those copper tubes to the ground.
Really?
It's awesome.
Little mouse is giving everybody a show.
Yeah, that's what I do my 22.
No, he's beautiful.
Oh, fuck the pictures.
Okay. Okay, here we go. Breakfast is being made for lunch. In the farm. Arr. Good looking bike.
A lot of places have the beef commercial. Yep.
Okay, just so you know, they're not cripples, they're just old. Yep, I could hear you now. Another coffee montage. Yep, I like coffee. Hey, this is us making the bed. It is a royal pain in the butt every time we gotta do this.
Only reason we're doing this is because we bought cotton sheets. I'll show you how to put little bits of nails in there. I think this is- there it is. Her nails, that cotton sheets and rip us a new one.
Yeah, so we're in Minot, North Dakota. No, we're not. Where are we at?
Grand Forks, North Dakota.
Yeah, we're in Grand Forks, North Dakota.
That's what the
And we stopped in Walmart, picked up new sheets, new pillowcases, another fan just in case, because these two fans are good. But the more air circulation, the better. So, yeah, that's what we're doing right now. And we're gonna have Subway for dinner. Yeah, this is where we stayed last night. We're in North Dakota, Grand Forks, North Dakota. We stayed at the Flying J, and it was brilliant. It was good. Pretty quiet. There is a main road back there. They started road construction about 7 this morning. But yeah, that was it.
good place to stay.
All three of us are eating meat sticks.
It's our dessert after having great breakfast there. Carlene and her hubby shop.
Pretty good as well.
Yeah. This is what we usually have for breakfast on the road. A wide variety of either beef sticks or jerky. I just throw them all together and throw those little things that keep the moisture out. And then the other thing we eat is peanut butter crackers. Didn't I like those ones? These ones. And Kevin eats the cheese crackers. Oh, Kevin annihilated his last one. Did you need another one, Kevin? You want the little red ones, the double smoked, or the long stick? Just any, okay. Here you go, get one each of those. Did you want yours? Yeah? Here you go. Let's eat them each. She eats them with us too. But that's what we have for sometimes our breakfast.
Rugby, North Dakota is the geographical center of North America. It was really windy, so I had to do a voiceover, so here you go.
This lovely lady next to me is Carlene Buck McGregor. She and her husband let us stay at their place overnight, and we just talked all day and night and all day and night the next day. It was awesome. We thank you.